In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule unavailable dates on Fiverr. If you're planning time off or need a focused work block, setting unavailable dates keeps expectations clear and protects your seller stats. Here's how to do it. Start to finish. Open your browser, head to Google, and search for Fiverr. Click the official Fiverr website to open it. Once you're on the site, go to your dashboard. You'll find Dashboard listed at the top of the page, and it brings you to your seller home where all key controls live. Inside your dashboard, look for Availability. This is the area that controls your vacation mode. Click Set your availability to begin. Before you choose dates, note what this means. While you're unavailable, your gigs are hidden and you won't receive new orders. You can still message buyers with active orders, so ongoing projects can continue smoothly, but no fresh orders will start during your break. Now choose your dates. Pick the first day you want to be unavailable, then select the last day you'll be away. Fiverr will apply the full range so your storefront remains hidden through that period. Double-check the time zone shown in the calendar so your start and end match your local time and working hours, preventing any accidental overlap with live deadlines. You'll see an option to allow all buyers to contact you. Enable this only if you know you can reply in a timely manner. New messages affect your response rate and response time metrics, which influence your profile performance. If you won't be checking messages regularly, leave this off to protect your stats. There's also a field to add a message, which is optional but highly recommended. Buyers will see this note on your profile and on your gig pages during your unavailable dates. Use it to briefly explain that you're away, share your return date, and set expectations for replies. Keep it friendly, clear, and concise. A simple statement with your comeback date and when you'll start replying again works best. When everything looks good, click Confirm Dates. Fiverr will save your selections and activate your unavailable period. Your gigs are now hidden from search and new order flow, while your existing clients can still reach you on active orders. If you enabled messaging for all buyers, stay mindful of your inbox so you maintain strong response metrics. And if anything changes, you can revisit the availability section to adjust your dates or update your message. Consider adding a short buffer around holidays or travel days so your deliveries resume smoothly and stress-free. That's it. You've scheduled unavailable dates on Fiverr the right way, with a clear message and protected performance.